The FHNW School of Life Sciences is one of Europe's leading universities of applied sciences. We train highly skilled specialists and develop scientific solutions for tomorrow's social and economic challenges. Located on the striking FHNW campus Muttenz and home to one of the most modern process technology centers in Europe, the school offers state-of-the-art facilities that seamlessly combine cutting-edge automation and digitalization. Our modern infrastructure is purpose-built for the needs of the life sciences industry, offering unique opportunities for applied research and development and education. Working with the FHNW School of Life Sciences brings multiple advantages. Outstanding laboratory and pilot-scale infrastructure and systems, collaboration with experts possessing in-depth industrial know-how in a wide range of disciplines, a dynamic campus where leading minds meet for work, to exchange ideas, and for conferences, highly qualified graduates with close to 100% placement rates in industry, smooth and efficient project execution compliant with industry standards, established relationships with the Basel Area Life Sciences Cluster. Come and talk to us to see how the FHNW School of Life Sciences can be the key to unlocking your future success.